Hey guys, how are you? Are you trying to speak English with confidence but not getting the way how to learn English? In this video, I just want to tell you something, especially how to improve your English accent and pronunciation in this video. Stay on this video, I'll explain. Hello. So my first tip is that immerse yourself with in English, like explaining something in English on your daily routine, like a day routine. What are you doing? What are you eating? What are you something doing in your day, your routine, your duty, your job, and doing something agriculture. Just explain yourself. If you not know how to explain this thing, so you learn it, and you next day you will be able to speak and explain these things when you have no idea to how to explain these things. So it will be natural part of learning. If you hesitating, so it's a natural. And second thing is that learn with AI assistant app like Google Gemini. Chat GPT is a good place to learn something. Like if I speak with AI assistant app, Google Gemini, I was telling you how to pronounce some accents, some of words, so they will give me some particular way to how to explain something in English. So this is the greatest thing. And third thing is that record yourself like a camera in mirror and speak with you see, I am speaking English, so my accent was getting something better. So this is just a practice. I am doing daily practice. I am explaining something. And fourth thing is that watch TED Talk videos. This is very great for home on YouTube. You just watching on TED Talk videos, so they are just telling you their life stories, their plans, their success, their failures. So you just get an idea from these videos, and you have any idea to how to explain something in English. So this is the greatest thing. And my five tip is that reading books. Book is a very good habit. If you're not reading books, just reading articles on Facebook, YouTube, and Google. So this is a great thing. If you are reading something, if you're lip saying something, so it will be making a habit on English, and they will pronounce easily accent and pronunciation on lip. So this is the natural part of learning. If you hesitating, if you have not a confident, so this is the natural part. This is not a you are just confusing about that, why my accent, why my confidence was not building. I just seeing my past videos, so I just not speaking with clear pronunciation. I just explaining to hesitating. People are just saying me, what are you speaking? You're just boring speaking. So I just focusing on my accent and pronunciation, and now it will getting better. So thank you so much, and I learn English with better accent. Keep focus on your pronunciation, accent, and learn daily. Make a routine, like immerse yourself in English, and take care. Bye bye.